Hi, it's Callum here of 43 Degrees. Just want to show you a few of the new features in FeedMe 1.7. Okay, so if we start off on the main page, got a new option here in the app bar menu to sort the groups. So you can sort them alphabetically, ascending or descending with the buttons down the bottom here. Or you can just select one of the groups and move it up and down here with the arrows. Okay, if we check out the group settings, so if we go here into edit, you've got the same option basically for the feeds inside of a group. There's a sort button down in the app bar, and you've got the same sort of sorting here, so you can sort the feeds inside of the group as well. Next thing we'll look at is the Google Reader import. I changed the Google Reader implementation so that you could import all your feeds at once. You used to have to add them one at a time in the last version. So now you can import all the feeds, and they're grouped like they are in Google, so your folders on Google Reader will be imported as groups into FeedMe. So if I just hit import there, then I can either merge them with the existing feeds in FeedMe, or I can just replace everything. I'm just going to merge them, and then you can see they've all been added in there. Okay. Take a look at the settings. There's a few changes in there as well. On the display, I've added an option to show images in the lists, so you can show a little thumbnail image next to your articles. The live tile has been changed now so that you can choose an unlimited amount of feeds for the tile. You're not limited to 10 anymore, so you can just set as many as you want. We've added some cache management, so you can set your set it up so that your articles are deleted after a certain amount of days. So I can say 2 days there, and I can set this checkbox here so that the unread articles aren't deleted. So everything that I've marked as read will be deleted after 2 days. That just keeps your cache a bit smaller and improves startup times for the app. Okay, the other changes I've made here is in the accounts page. This just used to be a read-only view. You used to be able to see your account information. You could delete it, but you couldn't set it up in here, and wasn't very logical, so I've changed that now so that you can just tap on one of the accounts and then enter your account information, so that you can just set things up here straight away. Okay, if we go into one of the groups here, we'll have a look at Windows Phone 7, and you can see the images here, the thumbnail images that I just selected. So, and what I do here is I load them in blocks of 25 so that the scrolling's a bit smoother. So when we get to the bottom there, it'll just load the next lot of items. They're in the cache, but just so that the scrolling stays good, I don't load them all straight away. If you've got some large groups, you should get a bit better performance there. Also, in the all and unread views, you can see that the feed name is now there next to the article, and the normal views it's not. So just in that feed, it's pretty obvious where those articles are coming from. But just so you can see which feed the articles are from, I just added that in there. Okay, if we go into one of the articles, you can see the layout's changed a little bit. You can see down here there's no view article online link anymore. That's just in here, open link in the app bar, and also the Internet Explorer button that was there has gone down into the menu here. I've got another option down here in the menu, hide details. You can see all the feed name and the author and the number of the article 1 of 40 there. If you hit hide details, that'll all just disappear, and you've just got a bit more room for the article then, so you've got just maximized reading space a bit, so you can just got more space for the actual article. I will be implementing a full screen view in one of the next versions, so that you can just hide all of that, but at the moment you've got a reasonable amount of space in there. Another thing that you might have seen up the top, there's a little thumbnail image of a video with a play button on it. That's an embedded YouTube video in this article. They used to just be shown as a white square and there'd be a play button up the top, but now if there's a YouTube video embedded in the article, I get the thumbnail from YouTube and show the thumbnail instead of the white. I can't play this because it's flash box that you usually get. Okay, one more change, and that's here in the share menu. If you send an article as an SMS now, the URL gets shortened, so you've just got a bit more space in your SMS before you run out of characters. So just make it a bit easier to send off SMS. Okay, all right. That's about all the features for 1.7. Let me know if you're missing anything, and we'll see how we go for the next few versions. Thanks a lot. See ya.